Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well, today is a different type of video. Today is a review. Not only a review, today we're going to discuss weight gain around the holidays. So you guys know that I am a VSG. I had surgical sleeve and this is my Surgerversary. A few days ago I had surgery and I had weight loss surgery, and you guys have seen me. You see me come down some, but I still never got to my goal. Okay, and since the holidays or just before, I have been snacking. I've been eating things that were not a lot in abundance because we still can eat only 4 ounces at a time, but more like a high calorie type foods. So I had someone send me something that I truly needed. So this product was suggested to me by my nutritionist and I never purchased it, and I should have. So now I have the opportunity to show you what it is. So I am partnered with this company and I got a, yes guys, an air fryer. Yes, I have never used one before, so this is really new to me. So Kitchen Academy partnered with me so I can show you their air fryer and how it works. So I am going to do a recipe. So I'm going to do a buffalo chicken wings with apple cider vinegar as my dressing. Yes, so I'm not going to try to get the salty dressings. I've done this using my chicken in the oven. So now I want to try this with the air fryer. So I didn't open it. Look at this box. Look how it comes with the handle. I thought this was really cool. Nice Christmas gift. Like, I know a friend of mine got them a couple years ago. They was very popular, but you know, more girls are always late on everything. So I'm going to unbox this in front of you. Okay, I did get the color rose gold and black. Well, actually it was silver and black, but I think it looks more like a rose gold. I didn't see it yet because I wanted something to match my juicer that I was gifted a while ago from another company. So I'm going to unbox it in front of you right now. So it comes, of course, with instructions on how to use it. Like I said, I have never used it before, so I don't know how to use an air fryer, so this should be interesting to me. So it comes with an instruction booklet. Oh, and it comes with, this is awesome, it comes with recipes as well. So I'm going to try, I don't eat red meat, but I am going to try several different types of food. And as you can see, it gives you a whole list of what kind of foods you can try. Even onion rings and french fries. I will not be making onion rings and french fries, but I am going to try sort of like a chicken wing. I didn't know you can even put veggies in here, guys. They have omelets, they have veggies, stuffed mushrooms, and stuffed mushrooms I love. And here it is, yummy chicken wings. So I'm going to try to do a recipe similar to this, and I'm going to let you know how it come out. Is it as crunchy and as moist on the inside as when you put it in the oven? I don't know. Like I said, this is new. I'm loving this. It has some really good things like some meatballs. You know, I don't eat beef meatballs, but I will make a chicken meatball. Okay, so I can't wait to try this recipe out. All right. Comes in a container. Comes with the plastic. Ooh, it's huge. Oh, it is gold. Almost like a rose gold. Look at that. Very sleek, very modern, and it pretty much matches my juicer that I have that's rose gold and black. So the cord is in the back. Oh, you squeeze the label here. Oh, and you pop it out that way. Really nice. So let me plug it in and let's see what it does. I'm going to plug it in. It's like an LED screen. Oh, wow. Nice. It's like a fan that's going on. Guys, I hear a fan. And this thing is blinking here. So here it has different things like chicken. It has the numbers here, like the temperature here. It has the timer. That's right here, the temperature, the timer, and it has a plus and minus button for temperature, and it have a plus and minus for the timer. I guess they have an icon for any So they have the icons for whatever you want to cook. Fish. It has chicken. I don't know if this is potatoes. Oh, this is awesome. So you close. It's very quiet, but you're going to hear like a little fan going on. Okay, is it heavy? Yeah, it's a little heavy. It's a little heavy. Y'all can smell it like in the background. You can see it. Very pretty, very sleek. This was going to go about decor. Now, I actually was not going to put, like, I really don't put appliances on my counter, but I started to put my juicer on my counter, and since this matches it, it's almost exactly, and this to me looks more like a rose gold and black sleek look. What do you think, guys? I think it's more of a rose gold. So I'm going to actually keep these on my counters, and that will give me incentive to eat healthier, okay? Because I have been going to the restaurants a couple times, you know, but you know, again, this is not going to be about mostly VSG, but again, it is hard. Let me see if I can turn this off. Oh, that's the off button, guys. So basically, I just want to talk to you about doing a recipe. I want to try this out. I want to talk to you about VSG. I still have about close to 30 pounds to lose. So, you know, I try to bake my chicken. I can't really eat fried chicken right now. I do make chicken sausages. So, and when I go out, you know, sometimes I'll get like a teriyaki bowl or something like that. I really can't eat that much rice yet. I had a little bit. It's not really healthy for me to eat, and it just seems kind of expanded. I feel like a little more bloated. So I want to try some recipes that will go with this, that I can still get that awesome taste that I can with. And I'm not a real big fried food type of person, but still you still want to crunch when it comes to like certain foods. So I want to do that. So then I'm going to try this baby out and see what it can do. I am going to have to go through the instructions because, again, I've never used one before. This is the first time. I think I taste wings that my daughter did. I mean, they were pretty good, but I want to try it for myself. And I want to see, does it cook fast? You know, you always hear about these air fryers and everyone has one. I'm like, yeah, whatever. I'm so old-fashioned sometimes. I like doing things on the stove or in the oven. So I can't wait to try this new appliance out. And again, I don't mind putting something like this on my countertop because I can put it here. I don't have much room. I don't have a big counter. So I have one in one corner, one in the other. And what I probably will do, guys, have my juicer over here for healthy drinkers in the morning, and I will have this to do my lunch or dinner meals, because my nutritionist says you can't just do juicing, and you cannot juice fast as VSG because you need more protein. So with this baby, I'm going to get more of my protein in. So hopefully between the juicer and this, I will lose those last 30 pounds I've been struggling with. You know, I always think I should have got to my goal by now, but it's a little challenging. Even VSG people, it's still challenging. It just doesn't fall off like you want it to, not all the time. Okay, especially when you cannot or you're limited to exercise. So again, I want to eat a little healthier. I always like to do clean eating, healthy eating. I gave up beef, pork, and stuff like that. But still, even with that, you're going to, if you don't have enough protein in your body, you're going to start craving carbs. And that is what I do, snacking and snacking. So also, I want to see, can I make healthy snacks? I wonder, does it kale chips? I don't know. I'm going to check the recipes to see if we can do kale chips. Those are so good to make. And you know, this matches my decor. So what I'll probably do is change my decor, you know, from a gray to like a rose gold and black in my kitchen to match both my things. Because you know, guys, this is a DIY channel first. Okay, and we always do our decor. So I'll have my appliance and I'll change my color around to match my appliance. Not a problem, guys. So guys, I'm going to come back and we're going to make a nice healthy recipe. We're going to make chicken wings, buffalo chicken wings with apple cider vinegar. Alright guys, it's your Mooregirl. I'll be back. Okay guys, I just want to show you real quick how I will put this on my countertop, and it's not too big. You know, it sits in the counter and looks really sleek. Look at that. And over here I have my other appliance, so it matches perfectly. So I just wanted to show you that how it looks. It's not too big. It can sit in the corner and it still look sleek. Okay guys, so the air fryer only weighs about 12 pounds. It's 12.5 inches by 9 4/5. And it's only about 12 3/4 inches. So again, it's 12 pounds and the power is at 1400. So basically, I'm just reading this because I've never used one before. So here you take it out. Okay, so this is the non-stick basket. You have your pan, you got your basket handle, and then you have your release button right here. So every time you press on it, it releases it. You have your air vent, your screens, and your temperature controls here. And this is when you're doing your timer, and this is here is your temperature mode. It does have presets right here. So the presets are fish, steak, chicken, hamburger, homemade fries, and frozen fries. So this is the difference. Got to make sure if you're doing frozen fries, that is different from homemade fries because it's more prep with a homemade fry. Okay, guys, let's see this first. Okay, you take it out. I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to give it. So far, this is what it looks like. Okay. So I'm going to take it out, turn it over, and let it cook again. So guys, I did it wrong. I was supposed to put in chicken, then put the timer on. That is why it's not cooked. So it's doing a preset. So once I realized the chicken wasn't cooking properly, what I did was just follow instructions on the actual fryer and not the recipe book. So I just put it in chicken and it gave me 25 minutes and it set its own time and the chicken came out perfectly. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour in some, this is the 1/3 cup of Bragg's apple cider vinegar. And then I have a 1/4 teaspoon, and I'm going to put in the ingredients of cayenne pepper, chili powder, chipotle, and I like to mix my dill and garlic powder together. Okay, so I'm going to mix this and put this on the pan, and I do like to melt a little bit of margarine. You could use any type of vegan butter. Regular butter, I don't use regular butter, it's too rich for me. So I'm just using Country Crock. And I'm just going to scoot in, you know, like a tablespoon of butter. Make sure this melts down. And then all the other mixtures. Then I'm going to mix the rest of this in here. And just let it simmer. And with the apple cider vinegar, it gives it like a tangy taste. And you can always adjust any of the seasonings that you wish. I just used this because it was nice and tangy and spicy. And just let that simmer. I'm going to add just a little more butter, just to thicken it up a little more. Okay, and we're going to check on that chicken while this simmers. Okay, so let's see what this chicken looks like. Oh, wow. Look at that. So yes, it is golden, guys. I just cannot believe it. Nothing's burnt. Has a little bit of oil, because I did add a little bit of olive oil to this. So I'm going to take it out of the pan. Okay. Put this back. Wow, nice, awesome, awesome. And let me add a little bit of my sauce to this. You know, just so I can have just a little drizzle of sauce. Okay, I don't need to drown the whole thing. And that's it. So guys, cleanup was easy to do. You know, I just basically just do like a nice wash and rub and cleaned up. No problem. Much easier than have my wings stick in the pan. I mean, because when you bake wings in the oven, goodness gracious, they are so hard to clean the pan. So far guys, this is done good. And let's see. Taste test, guys. Taste test. Is it crunchy? It's crunchy. And it's moist and it's juicy. This sauce is good, guys. You should try it. You know, I kind of made up this sauce, when I tried this a few months ago. So again, it's good. It has a crunch, and you can see in the inside it is done. But guys, so that is my review of these wings. They are really good. They are crunchy, they moist, they didn't like stick to the pan, because normally you know how you cook in an oven, it sticks to the pan. So it didn't, it was so much easier to clean up. Awesome job, I must say it. The only thing was, I must have skipped over the directions when it says select your meat. So when I put it on 8 minutes the first time, I didn't select the chicken, so it wasn't cooking properly. So when I went back to cook it, it cooked a little bit, but it was better to select the chicken from here and let it cook for the 25 minutes than to stop it and use the recipe book, in my opinion, for the chicken wings. So again, it worked well. Once I got it and I understood it was saying, because I wasn't quite sure, like I said, I skipped over, but once I did it over, it came out perfectly. No stick. It's done. Crispy on the outside, and it is moist on the inside. And with my sauce, again guys, so guys, this is how it looks. And I have like a little bit of sauce at the bottom of it, not too much, not too thick, and it's not salty at all. So again, when it comes to sauce, you can use whatever seasons you want, but I happen to use some just by trial and error. I have done it in the summertime. But again guys, it is done. As you can see, it is crisp, it is golden, and it's done. And yes, look at that. Okay, it's not overcooked, it is perfect, and it's steamy, and it's hot. Alright guys, it's your Mooregirl. Thanks for watching this review of the Kitchen Academy. And Kitchen Academy, thank you so much. Thank you so much, because I really needed this to help me with my journey. And hopefully, between me doing juicing and me getting my protein in and not frying anything or having a hard time in the oven with this, I can't wait to try other recipes with this and see what it can do, because again, it's my first time ever using an air fryer. I don't know where I've been, guys. I'm always late for everything. I'm always late for the party, guys. Yes, you know you're Mooregirl. So guys, this is a Mooregirl. Again, thanks a lot for watching this review, and we'll get back to another review soon, and then back to Christmas, guys. Alright guys, it's your Mooregirl. Thanks for watching.